Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a spring twist crochet hair tutorial. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. First, I'm going to start making my parts, and I'm going to be using Shine and Jam by Magic Fingers to make my parts a little sharper. I'm not gonna lie, the parts were kind of hard to make, especially if you're doing it on yourself. So kind of just take your time when making the parts. Use a mirror. I'm using like 3 mirrors, but it would be really good to have a mirror in the back to see what you're doing. But yeah, sorry if the parts are not as precise as it could be. But like I said, doing it on yourself is a little harder than you think. So I'm just taking my time doing the parts. Just do the best you can do. And yeah. Now we're going to start making the illusion parts. Sectioning out the parts like if I were doing say box braids or anything individual. I'm starting that off on the sides. So around the whole perimeter I'm going to be doing the illusion method. Also in the front, and once I get to like the top of my head to the back, I'm just going to do regular cornrows. You can do the whole head with the illusion method, but like that took way too much time. So I'm just doing the illusion method around and also on top. So here's the whole braid pattern that I came up with. Like I said, you can do the whole head with the illusion method, but it just took too much time, so I just cornrowed like the back and just did the illusion method, the front and like the very back. So like I said, if you are, look at my son in the back. If you're pressed for time, I advise you to just do what works for you, and that's what worked for me. I'm going in with these spring twists. When I brought this hair, okay, I thought I brought 60 inches, like all the 4 packs, and come to find out they labeled it wrong. So I wind up getting 3 packs of the 16-inch and then like 1 pack 12-inch, which doesn't make any sense. So what I thought about doing is just using the shorter length in the front, and then the rest of the inches, the 16 inches, I put it towards the back in the middle of my head. But I advise you to check the labels and make sure you get 1 length. But like I said, if you get 1 short and the rest long, it's fine. You can work around it. So I decided to go with the short on the top, so it can look like, you know, like layered hair. But it turned out okay. Like I said, just to avoid all that, just get 1 length. wind up cutting some of the 16 inches because there was so much of a difference between 12 and 16, and it was not looking very nice. So to make it look a little more layered, I just cut some of the longer pieces so it fits the shorter pieces. And that's it, guys. This is the finished look. I'm just putting my hair into a hairstyle. I feel like the illusion is kind of like a hit or miss, especially on the sides. Like I feel like I should have did it a little more better, but it still turned out pretty cute, and I'm not too mad about it, you know. But guys, if you like this tutorial, you know, give us a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see some more hair tutorials.